Altri Forest. Organized plantations. Modern production methods. Here, investment is continuous, and growth points to the future. This is dynamic nature, constantly renewed, full of life. This is the space where Altri Florestal works, the sustainable and protected forest. Created in 1966, Altri Florestal is the company that manages the natural assets of the Altri Group. With production criteria that combine profitability with sustainable management, Altri Florestal occupies a top place among the Portuguese enterprises in its sector. Altri Florestal coordinates the whole flow of timber, from the forest to the industrial units of the Altri Group. Satisfying the needs of its clients in advance is Altri's priority. The company's activity covers the complete cycle of the forest: preparation of the land, planting the trees and maintenance of the forest, and harvesting the timber produced. The plantations are created from plant material, with high productive efficiency and adaptability. The gradual replacement of stands of trees with low productivity by others with greater profitability is thus a common practice in Altri Florestal. Altri Florestal monitors its plantations and operations on the basis of detailed cartography and silvicultural trials. Thanks to the careful selection of the areas for reforestation, the optimization of resources and the utilization of innovative cultivation techniques, everything comes together to produce timber of excellent quality. Thousands of hectares of cork oak grove and pine wood contribute to the diversification of forest products and activities. Protection against forest fires is a priority for Altri Florestal. It is a combined effort that involves all of its employees and collaborators, and contracted professional firefighters. At the same time, protection against plagues and diseases, supported by research projects, enables the maintenance of healthy and productive forests. The preservation of ecosystems and biodiversity is a principle rooted in the culture of the company. Altri Florestal recovers and conserves its natural wealth in accordance with solid environmental values. 10% of its exploitation area is dedicated to the development of ways of increasing the value of the forest. Management models recognized by specialists safeguard land, plants and animals. They minimize negative environmental impact, notably on water and soil quality. Altri Florestal energizes the economic and social fabric of the regions where it operates, notably by the creation of 500 permanent jobs, around 70 guaranteed for workers of the company itself. The success attained is above all due to the quality and effort of its staff. Hence the commitment to continual training and professional growth. Moreover, employee safety is paramount. Altri Florestal controls all operations rigorously, thus preventing possible accidents. Aware of its social and environmental responsibilities, Altri Florestal invests constantly in the preservation of nature and the environment. Green and renewable. This is the Altri Forest, a forest full of life, open to the future.